fast car, it does the talking for you. And you pull up loud, well, that gets everybody's attention. GasMonkeyGarage.com right now is your chance to win this brand new Dodge Durango Hellcat SRT with 710 horsepower sitting in your driveway and ready for your next adventure.
All right, guys, so we got the giveaway Lowrider S on the lift. What we're gonna do is get in here and we're gonna rip all the tins off of it, which is fenders, tank, fairing, anything that's black that can be painted, because our buddy Jeff Long, actually our paint rep for Exalta, he is a custom paint, airbrush, all that stuff. I mean, he does some really, really great work. He even did some work for Rick Fairless one time. There was an orange bike with some flames and stuff on it that's over in the showroom floor. Jeff did, so he's pretty known for, you know, his paint jobs and motorcycles and stuff. So we're gonna give all this to him and be like, hey, it's America 250. We're giving this baby away at Sturgis, and run wild with it. Give us something American. Americana, American, America. Not like that. You're dirty. And in case you've been living under a rock, we do have another bar that's not in the colony. It's actually in Sturgis, in South Dakota. We do go crazy for the rally. I mean, we got beer tubs outside, beer girls, motorcycles, music, I mean, everything. And then Richard will be there. I mean, some of us will be there. I mean, it's the place to be. So if you haven't went to Sturgis before and you're planning, go this year. Come find us. It's very easy to find. We're at Main and Junction. We're right when you come down the Main Street, giant Gas Monkey banner. I mean, exactly like we do it, you know, right in your face. So yeah, get your ass to Sturgis this year. Come party with us. So the one thing we're gonna do is we are going to leave the chrome on this bike. I'm trying to look at my bracket. We're gonna leave it on there just because that's something that they did on the new Lowrider S, is they added more chrome like the old school bikes. So since we're doing America and we're doing Harley and all that stuff, then we're gonna leave all the chrome. It's gonna look cool.
Still full of gas?
Yeah, well, yeah, and they just filled it up. And you had to, that one's got a fuel pump, so you can't drain it like old school.
Turn it upside down, light it on fire.
Have to, yeah. Okay, anything else you see you want painted? Derby cover, anything?
No!
Still looks like an old school Softail when you strip it all the way down.
That's all it is. I bet you that frame's identical to mine almost.
It's so close.
It's still got the battery plugged in.
Yeah, you can. You don't burn the pump.
You gonna get a cigarette?
Ryan, will you grab some pads? Yeah. I'm making a f***ing mess. All right, cool. So we got all of our tins off, everything, all the bolts are out, all the wires are off. I just pulled the fuel pump out of the tank. So these things are ready to go to Jeff and get whatever crazy paint job comes to his and Richard's head on here. And man, gonna do a few other things. We'll show you as we go, but I'm excited to see what Jeff does with this.
If you do maintenance on your own car, you know there's things you plan for. You plan to do your oil changes, you know your brakes are gonna go out. Those are predictable expenses that you can see from, well, a mile away. But what happens when the unexpected comes along and your alternator's out? I'm still a week away from payday. And that breakdown can't wait. That's why I feel better having Clover on my phone. Clover allows you to access your money when you need it, and eligible users can get up to $400 before payday. There's no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. If you don't need it immediately, you can wait a few days. But if you need it faster, you can do express transfer for a small fee. It's that simple. It's just one of those apps that's nice to have when life throws you a curveball, like a blown alternator. So don't wait to get back up and running. Access up to $400 with no credit check, no late fees. Click the link in the description so they know I sent you.
I'm Pete with KV Coolers, and I'm here to meet Richard today.
What you got?
I got a beer fridge. I got a Gas Monkey beer fridge today. We're gonna show it off to Richard today and see how he likes it. I think he's gonna love it.
What up, Pete?
How you doing, sir?
What you got today, man?
Man, I brought you a KV Cooler beer fridge.
Well, we got to shut the door. We're going to let the flies out and they'll sweat to death.
It's hot here in Texas, man.
It's freaking hot. Where'd you come down from?
Chicago.
Oh, yeah. It's probably a little cooler up there.
A little bit.
So Pete here is with KV Coolers. He actually owns the place. And they do these killer custom coolers. And he brought one down for me to check out. And we're going to unveil it here in just a second. I hope it's cold. I mean, if he's a smart guy, you think he's already got cold beer in there? Yeah, probably.
My machinist, everything as far as the handle, emblem, hinges, bottle opener you just saw, all 5-axis machine, billet
Really?
aluminum, yep. Anodized, chromed, you pick your color. So you pick your fridge color, you pick your hardware color, you pick your interior color.
Okay.
I picked this color for you because I knew you liked this color.
Well, then it's probably either green or black. Boom. Look at that. That is wicked. So there we are in all of its glory. Nice and green. Whoa. So it lights up like backlights itself on the wall.
Backlight neon, yep.
That's pretty cool. Now this is what you were talking about. The craftsmanship here is freaking cool.
Yes, all 5-axis, all CNC, emblems, handle.
Look at that. Cold beer ready to go. Lights up.
Bluetooth color changeable.
Respect the craft.
Yes,
Gold
sir.
edition. What is this?
Door light.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. And here's our stereo system.
Bluetooth, 10-inch sub. Yep.
That's freaking cool. Cold beer? Hell yeah. One for you?
I'll take one.
Killer.
Thank you.
This is rad. Oh, the Star Spangled Banner in here too. Love it. Man, you didn't.
This is the best part right here. How you know when it's shut. Go ahead and shut that door. Right there.
That's shut.
That's shut.
So pretty cool. And the body's made out of,
This is all metal.
and you make this. This isn't
I
like
make
an
this.
existing thing that you're adopting.
My door is stamped out of Detroit. All the other metal parts are laser cut and bent. You know, you hear about microplastics these days. Not an ounce of plastic in this thing. All metal.
That's freaking cool. So there you go. If you want something really wicked and handmade with real craftsmanship and no plastic,
KV
you
Cooler.
know, I don't think you could have done better if you had refurbed an old one. This is like better. Well, cheers, brother. I love it.
Cheers.
It's rad. If you guys on my team out there watching want one, where do they go?
KVCoolers.com.
KV Coolers with a K.
Yep.
.com. So get one and make sure you send me pictures of it. But he will custom make it and make it badass and make it fit your style. And if you want me to design it, no, you don't want me to do that.
Jeff's back with the bike. The parts, how does it look? Are you happy?
Yeah,
You pumped?
super clean. Yeah,
Oh shit, dude.
think it'll show well.
You took that back to Harley.
Huh?
You didn't paint that.
What? Dude, that's crazy, Jeff. Damn. He said something about a bar and shield, so.
No way! Oh, he's gonna be pumped. Cool. Let's get it in there. You got another little one? Bro, what? That's dope. Richard's gonna be pumped, dude. Yeah, dude, you come look. Our motorcycle pieces are here.
What?
Our motorcycle pieces are here.
I'm trying to read documents, but where? Oh, wow. Very nice.
Presentation pad there.
Oh, that's cool.
Like it. Can't touch it.
Yes.
So what are you waiting on? How come it's not on the motorcycle
I
yet?
gotta let Richard see it. You know he's gonna go, Jeff, I don't like this. Yeah. Even though I don't know how you couldn't like it.
It looks really good.
The 250 like is wild looking. Like that looks like a machine printed that on there.
America, fuck yeah!
100%.
All right.
Look at that.
Look at him go. America 250th.
Got a monkey.
I like it, man. I thought you were gonna get crazy, but I kind of like that you held yourself back.
Definitely, I kept her chill on this one.
I kind of dig it, man. That is really cool. Yeah.
We're contemplating whether you actually
This is
painted that
awesome.
or use stickers. We don't know.
I think he used stickers on it. No, that's rad. That's America at its finest right there. 250th anniversary. We're gonna give this thing away alive in Sturgis at the Gas Monkey Bar. Dope. What goes here?
Dash.
Oh yeah, okay, that's what it is. Okay, I got it now. I'm smelling what you're selling.
Remember you wanted it painted, but then you was like, eh. Well, Jeff came back and he was like, I want to paint that. I was like, just take it, let's go.
No, I dig it.
It's
Fucking good job, man. Good job. Not too crazy, not too much. I love it.
It's gonna be wild.
That is pretty wicked. What's up with this little crazy white thing right here? You got this little wispiness.
To have a little extra
Little psh. Oh, we got it over here too. Getting wispy. You know, I wish I had a painter. You do stuff like that.
You reacted to my stuff like that.
Well, his is done. His is finished. Thanks, man. Looks good.
Appreciate it.
We'll have that thing on the road tomorrow and get it all pictured up. See us in Sturgis. We're gonna be giving away the 250 America bike, and it's gonna be good times. Kick ass. Love it. Get you some of that.
All right, so I'm getting put this bike back together. This paint job's awesome. Once I get it together, I'm gonna get Richard to take a look at it on the bike, so I'm really excited about that.
What's happening is Sturgis. That's right. Every August comes around the Black Hills Rally. I'm going to be up there partying, having a good time. But what's really cool is I got with my friends at Harley Davidson and got this new Lowrider S. We tricked it out because it's the 250th anniversary of America, so a little red, white, and blue. And I am giving it away to one lucky person on Thursday, August the 13th at Sturgis. Now, you don't have to be present to win, but it'd be really cool if you were. So go to gasmonkeygarage.com right now. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win. And that's not only the Dodge Durango Hellcat that we're giving away, but also this badass brand new 2026 Lowrider S from Harley Davidson. So get yourself some entries. Go to gasmonkeygarage.com. Thursday, August 13th. I'm giving it away live at Gas Monkey Sturgis. And if you come by, make sure you say hi. Every dollar you spend there or at any of my bars is gonna get you entered to win. This is a badass bike customized by Gas Monkey Garage, and it can be yours in just about a week or so. So get you some of that, gasmonkeygarage.com.